Introducing the 2024 Ford Bronco Raptor Black Appearance Package, unveiled amidst the rugged terrain of Bronco Off-Roadeo Texas under a dramatically darkened sky. This new option package adds a sinister edge to the Bronco Raptor's already formidable off-road capabilities. The Black Appearance Package boasts a shadow black painted roof, mirror caps, roll bar, and fender flares, creating striking contrasts with the Raptor's bold paint options. Additionally, matte black steel bumper, skid plate, and tow hooks further enhance its rugged aesthetic. Drawing inspiration from the 6th-generation concept Bronco SUVs, the shadow black painted roll bar pays homage to Bronco heritage, while the painted skid plate addresses customer feedback, eliminating the need for aftermarket modifications. Unique Raptor body side and hood decals add the finishing touches to this menacing package. Bronco enthusiasts were treated to an exclusive first look at the Black Appearance Package during an owner-exclusive event at Bronco Off-Roadeo in Austin, Texas, coinciding with the April 8 total solar eclipse. Ford's Bronco brand manager, Jason Hyde, emphasizes that customers choose the Bronco Raptor for its high-performance off-road capabilities and distinctive appearance, making the Black Appearance Package a natural choice for those seeking a standout look on and off the trail. Priced at $4,995 MSRP, the Black Appearance Package will be available for ordering at the end of April, offering Bronco Raptor owners the opportunity to elevate their off-road experience with a bold new aesthetic. Following the vibrant Code Orange package introduced in 2023, the Black Appearance Package continues Ford's tradition of offering unique customization options for Bronco enthusiasts.